Namaskar everyone, very good morning all of you. Today we will learn about like fractions, unlike fractions and more fractions I am telling you. Okay, first of all I want to discuss like fractions. What is the meaning like fractions? As you are looking in the notebook, I have written a group of fractions. It is having all denominators are same. This is numerator and this is denominator. See, all denominators are 13, 13, 13 and 13. So it means a group which is having denominators same, that is called like fractions. Okay. Next is unlike fractions. In this you have seen all denominators are different. So this is a group of unlike fractions. And the third type of it, unit fractions. You know the meaning of unit fraction? It means the total number of parts anything, and we can take only one. 1 upon 21, 1 upon 32, 1 upon 3. Okay? So this is not a group. We can say a fraction is unit fraction in which numerator should be 1. Numerator should be 1. Okay, fine. Now I am telling you the proper fraction and improper fractions, how we will convert. Already we have discussed about this. Again I am giving you the review of it. Proper fraction is the fraction which is having numerator is smaller and denominator should be bigger. Okay. Improper fraction is telling you the numerator is bigger and denominator is smaller. So today we will learn how we will convert improper fraction into mixed. What is the meaning mixed? Mixed fraction means a whole number plus a fraction. When we are joining, that is called mixed fraction. Okay, I am taking this example 3 upon 2. So to convert improper into mixed, we have to divide always. Divide process always is giving us mixed fraction. 2 1 are 2, remainder is 1. Okay. So what we have to do? One whole number 1 upon 2 is the mixed fraction, and we can learn the formula of mixed fraction: quotient, remainder and divisor. Quotient, remainder upon divisor. Okay, and we can convert vice versa also. Improper to mixed we have done. Now mixed to improper also we can done. How it can be do? See here, suppose I am taking one example, 5 whole number 3 upon 7. So I want to convert into improper. It is a mixed fraction. The recognition of mixed fraction is a whole number should be there and the fraction also. So the group of this is called mixed fraction. Now how I will convert? 5 into 7 plus 3, and denominator will not change. So what I have done here? I have done 5 into 7. Okay, and then plus 3. So here I have to do multiply and here I have to do addition. So I have got 38 upon 7. Clear? What I have got? 38 upon 7. So like this we can convert improper into mixed and mixed into improper. Fine? Okay. Now I am telling you how we will represent the number line. How we will represent the number line. The number line, I want to discuss one thing. On the number line, we have to draw a line without measurement. Okay. if we are representing proper fraction means numerator should be smaller and denominator should be big. So always it is coming between 0 and 1. Okay, improper fraction always coming between 0 and 1. So little far from arrow I will give 0 and here I will give 1. Now it's my duty, special duty, I will distribute 0 to 1 into 5 parts. Total number of parts should be 5. Fifth one part is 1 itself. So I will start 4. I will distribute 4. Distribution should be equal. 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth is itself. So it is 5 upon 5. Fine. It is 1 upon 5 and it is 0. 0 we will not start. 0 is the starting. Okay, conducting the starting. And 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5. So question is asking 3 upon 5. You can circle and you can write any alphabet for it. So I have written C for it. You can write any. So this is my answer. So what is specialty in number line? We have to distribute equally and we will not write on the arrow, little far from both side, left and right. Okay, this is the talking about proper fraction. Whenever the improper fraction is coming, how you will distribute in the number line? Just see. Suppose one whole number 1 upon 2 we want to distribute. If improper fraction is coming, so you have to distribute into mixed. So I will write here 0. Now I will not write here 1.